Quite possibly the most hungover bloke on the face of the earth. What are you into, mate?
No idea, mate.
A creature of the deep. What have you done here? That's a big groggy.
You missed it.
Right.
Missed a hoop on me.
Right. Yes, you got a shark.
And me. And a cat.
That's a keeper. Actually, what I'll do, I'll tail him. This is going to go real bad, real quick. That's a keeper. We've done it right, because we're outside the heads here at Georgetown, so... Flake. Apparently these things have got to be about 800. I think it's big enough. We'll let him go though. When in doubt, put it back out. Early though. Keep going. Keep going. Outstanding. It's enough of that chunky monkey experience.